Here's problem 2934. A magnetic field is directed out of the page towards you. Two charged particles enter from the top and take the path shown in the figure. Which statement is correct? Well, let's look what should happen. We have these charged particles, particle 1 and particle 2, and they each have the same direction of initial velocity, going down as described. And they each will have encountered the same magnetic field coming out of the page. So let's see what should happen depending on the charge of the particle. In general, force will equal the charge times the cross product between the velocity and the magnetic field. So in this case, we have a magnetic field that's coming out of the page, and if we have a velocity that is going down, if the particle is a positive charge, then with this velocity going down, closing the velocity on the magnetic field, we end up with a force that is going to the left. So our force would be going this way in this particular case for a positive charge. Now consider again magnetic field coming out of the page, velocity going down, and now consider that our charge is actually a negative charge. Well, we would do the cross product, which would be pointing to the left, but because of the negative charge, that reverses our direction, and this force would be to the right. So, for the particle that is being deflected towards the left, which would be particle number 1, it must be a positive charge. And for the particle that's being deflected to the right, which looks like particle 2, it must be a negative charge. So that's our conclusion. Looking at our possible answers, A, particle 1 has positive charge, particle 2 has negative charge. That is correct. So that's the one that we want. Let me redo this so it looks better. Both particles are positively charged, not true. Both particles negatively charged, not true. Particle 1 is a negative charge, particle 2 is a positive charge, not true. I think we got it with answer A.